this ocean!
Water, everywhere. Nor any drop to drink. Well, except maybe that drop. That's a little
Salty!
Precious! Mommy's calling you! Precious! Come here, sweetie. Hey, lady, have you seen Precious?
If you mean the imaginary or perhaps deceased pet that you keep searching for, no, I haven't.
Guys, look! Where there's birds, there's land, right?
Hey, buddy, come here!
No, wait, come back! Come back!
It's a huge bounty, Captain. 4 passengers, ripe for the taking. One very smelly and one very plump.
In my ocean. What a terrible turn of events. I love a terrible turn of events.
Am I hallucinating, or is that ice coming straight towards us?
Yeah, it's coming. It sounds like there's animals on it.
We're being rescued. We're being rescued.
I hear laughter.
Oh, must be a party cruise. Woo!
They look fluffy.
I get the big woolly one. Wow.
Get ready to slice and dice, boys. Knock it off, Squint. Hey, wait for Captain's orders.
Ahoy down there! How lucky are you? You know, these waters are infested with pirates. Right, boys? Glad we found you before they did. Captain Gutt, here to help.
You know, that's a nice...
Look, we don't want any trouble. We just need to get back to the continent.
The continent? That pile of rubble?
My family's there, so if you could just...
Oh, your family? That is so sweet. I hope you said goodbye, because there's no way back.
Yes, there is. Don't you remember, Captain? You can sail to Switchback Cove and catch the current back from there. Like a steel trap, this noggin is.
Thank you, Mr. Flynn.
Ow! See? I knew there was a way home.
There is no home. There is only here. And here, your ship belongs to me. Battle station! Fly the colors! Now surrender your ship or face my fury.
Or face your furry what?
Not furry. Fury! Fire!
Hit the with a prize.
Fire the starboard cannon!
I love this job.
Shira, fetch!
Aye, Captain. Oh, you almost made it.
I don't fight girls.
I can see why.
Belly flop!
Let's rumba, Tiny.
Lights out, big fella.